Hello my friend, and in this video we are going to build a product page using an API with React.js. So let's start. Let me quickly show you. We are going to use Faker API. As you can see, we have a products category here, and this is the API URL. If you visit it, we get something like this. We can also change the quantity, like if you want 10 products, you can just 10. As you can see here. So let's start. I'm going to use npx CRA product page. And on the way, if you need to React, you'll get some idea what the React is, and also you can learn from this tutorial. So wait until it's finished. So as you can see, it's finished. Let's quickly change our directory, and we are going to use Axis. I know there is a fetch API built in React, but I like using Axis. So let's quickly install it. And for the design part, we are going to use Chakra UI to design our app. Let's copy and paste it. I'm gonna open it in VS Code. Okay. And remove these unnecessary files. Okay, wait. Box. Imports of logo. Start our development server. Okay, looks good. Let's add a component folder to add all our components there, and a pages folder to add our home page and maybe other pages too. Home.js ETF turn box. And we're going to build a header, or maybe you can call it a navbar. Let's build it. Heading product page. Okay. Padding. Let's give it a padding of 4. And import our home page in our app.js. Sorry. Okay. And in the home page, we're going to import our component we just created, which is a header. Okay. Let's give it a padding of 6. Margin. And give it a shadow of maybe medium. Oh, I'm sorry. I forgot to import Chakra provider.
You suck!
My bad. That's why I see it's not working. I'm typing it correctly, but it's not working. Oh. Oh, there we go. It looks good. Alright. And as you can see, it's responsive too. So. Alright, so next we're going to check the API documentation. Okay. So it returns like something like this. JSON with the data. I actually haven't thought of what we are going to design. I mean, how we are going to design our website. Let's just hit and try. Okay, first we're going to remove the categories. Looks good. Copy the URL. We're going to use effect. So to make sure the fetching process run only one time. Axis.get, then data we are going console. Let's console it first. Inspect console. Okay, looks good. Let's create a state to store our data. We can call it products, and by default an empty array. Oh, sorry. No, let's keep it array because we are going to store the data. So set products data. Alright, let's create a product.js component, and in here we are going to accept a few properties like title. Let me check. Sorry, it's name, description, image, net, okay, price, and tags. So let's, okay, wait, sorry. Let's quickly display a name first. And in here on the home page, we are going to loop through products.map, product, okay, product. We're going to return product components with all the parameters we gain from the data. Okay, looks good. Next, let's add a padding. No, not here. Wrap up the box. Padding of maybe 4. Okay, it looks good. Remove the heading, or maybe can add a border width of 1 pixel and border radius of maybe empty. Okay, let's change it to stack. Looks good now. The header and the header of the product page, it's same. Let's lower it by using the size. Okay, SM. Does this look good? Does it look good? I don't think so. Let's empty. Okay. So we're going to some padding like for better. And this font doesn't look very much good. We're going to customize our font using fonts. Using fonts, we're going to use Railway for until it's finished. Let's add a description, text. Okay, description. All right.
One eternity later.
I don't know why it's taking too much. Oh, I'm using npm. My bad. Before I used yarn to install other dependencies. That's why I think why it's taking too long. My bad. We're going to, I think price should be here. Top right. Let's set a flex to align our content vertically like this. Oh, where's flex though? Oh, it's hiding here. Flex and tag. Let's pass. Okay, we are getting tags in an array, I think. Yeah, so we have to loop through the array like this. Tags.map tag, then tag, tag, tag. As you can see, if we add a spacer in between those, we can have something like this on the right. It will be automatically aligned to the right side of the view. But the font is still the same, I think. Fonts.google. This is like the, I don't know what you could say that, but this will work. Open sans, and we're going to add a regular 400. Yeah, this one. And the other one is, where is that? In like Ubuntu. Yeah, let's add Ubuntu 400 and copy this link, paste in our index.html. To automatically reload, and let's change this railway to Ubuntu. Refresh. Okay. Does it look good? No, I think this one's better because it's very quite light. And next we are going to add some margin there. Okay, margin top is equal to, maybe let's set the 4. That's better. And on the left side we are going to add an image. And these two. Okay, so I think we have to add one more flex box here. This one is for image. src is equal to image. Oh, that doesn't look great. Let's add the width of 12. I think this box is, yeah, that looks good. Spacer, margin left of 4. I don't know, it's like this. Let's give it a 24. This one looks better. Okay. change. Flex box. Let's leave it like this. This one's better. And margin top. Let's have it a margin 4. 4 is a little too much. Let's give it a 2. Yeah, 2 is better. And next we are going to add a shadow to every product component of MT maybe. Alright, and on hover we are going to change the cursor to pointer. So let's do it like this. Hover is equal to cursor would become pointer. Like this. And also on hover we are going to shadow of LG, and here we can add SM like this. This looks good. And what else we can add in here? Let me check. Okay, prices, right? Price. I think price should be up here. Also, text doesn't have spaces. Let's add margin left 1 or margin right. Oh, sorry, margin right. Okay, now there's a space between tags. What else we can do? Okay, the prices. Heading in this. There will be a flex in here, wrapping up everything, and a tag, like let's say 1. Oh. Why is this like, why this is like this? No. Like right is equal to 0. Position absolute. But it's overflowing. This is not the right way. We can do like this, but I think it's not the right. But it works. Let's keep it like that. Who knows? Okay. So let's replace this 1 with the price, and let's add $sign. Oh, it's too much. I think it's too much. And increase the size. I think there should be size to LG. And decrease the tag size to SM. Small. Alright. And let's add a button to buy the product. Button buy now. Let's add a margin top of 4 and size SM. Looks good. And color scheme should let's set it to red. Buy now. Now finally we will add dark mode at the top of here. Let's quickly do it by going through spacer and switch. Oh, because it's not in flex. Flex. As you can see, it's not aligned properly. Align items center. Alright. Left. One. Not like this. We check the documentation for switch. We can add. Oh. I don't remember if I have installed React icons or not. Let's add React icons. Import from React icons and we can import fi sun and fi moon. Let's add flex skin. Why it's not working VS Code? I think because it's installing, that's why it's not auto-completing working. Fi sun, not like that. And fi moon.
One eternity later.
So after restarting the development server, it worked. Let's undo all of these. Alright, there we go. Let's add this vertical stack. Oh, sorry, horizontal stack. You see this blue outline, you can remove it. There's a there's a way by using focus visible, I think this plugin, this one right here. You can use this and just import in your React app to remove that blue outline. I really don't like it. And Chakra doesn't have inbuilt option to remove it. They should probably integrate that. It's look it not. It doesn't look good. So let's see how we can make it work. But first this is looking very ridiculous. Let's increase the width to 48. Better and add a more wide radius to make it look more good. Better. Modern. What? How much is this price? Okay. What else we have in here? We have net price categories, taxes, net. Okay. So we're going to make it work. Let's add on change. Can do it. First, let's get the value of checked, and if it is checked, which means it is in night mode. And Chakra has inbuilt use function called use color mode. Inbuilt, you can say hope to change the color mode from light to dark, or maybe dark to light. Set color mode. And you're going to set it to dark. And else part, we are going to set it to light. Let's check.
Wow!
Alright, that's look good. That looks way better. So I think by far you have learned how to use APIs in React and how to implement other APIs into your React application. So that's it for this video. If you have any suggestion, let me know in the comment section below. I'll look every comment though. And the final sentence for you guys is 90% of the viewers on my channel haven't subscribed yet. So it will be great if you subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching. And in the next or maybe in the upcoming videos, I'll be building React tutorials. So make sure to subscribe and turn on the bell notification to get notified. Also, if you have any idea what else we can implement in this project, let me know in the comment section, and I'm going to upload this to GitHub, and I'll put the link in the description, so make sure to check it out. Thanks for watching.